If you're seeing Facebook error code 190, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to fix it step by step. This error usually happens because of a temporary login issue, a bad session, or a problem caused by your browser data or extensions. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or simply click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook error code 190 is just a temporary connection or session issue, and a simple refresh can clear it right away. After refreshing, try signing in again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, the next step is to log out of Facebook completely. Make sure you're signed out on the browser or app where the error appeared. Logging out helps reset the current session, which can often fix authentication problems tied to error code 190. Once you've logged out, wait a few seconds, then try logging back in. Now let's move on to one of the most effective fixes, clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Facebook login and permissions. To do this in most browsers, go to your browser settings, then open Privacy, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Choose to clear cache and cookies, then confirm the action. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Facebook again. This step fixes a lot of login and authorization errors. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially VPN tools, ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions, can interfere with Facebook's login process and trigger error code 190. Try disabling your browser extensions one by one, or turn them all off temporarily. After disabling them, reload Facebook and test again. If the issue goes away, you'll know one of the extensions was the cause. At this point, if Facebook error code 190 is still showing, try using a different browser or an incognito or private window. This helps you test whether the issue is related to your browser settings. If it works in a different browser, then the problem is most likely tied to your main browser's cache, cookies, or extensions. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can sometimes cause authentication requests to fail. If possible, switch networks, restart your router, or disconnect from any VPN service before trying again. Facebook sometimes blocks or flags unusual connections, so removing the VPN can help too. Once you've gone through these steps, go back and try logging in or reloading the page again. In most cases, one of these fixes will clear Facebook error code 190 and get everything working normally. So to recap, the main steps are refresh the page, log out of Facebook, clear your browser cache and cookies, and disable browser extensions like VPNs and ad blockers. These are the most common and safest fixes to try first. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.